In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Notion. Keeping your account information up to date is essential for maintaining access and security. Whether you've switched to a new email address or want to consolidate your accounts, updating your email in Notion is a simple and straightforward process. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, making it easy to follow along and ensuring your account remains secure throughout. To get started, open your Notion account and head over to Settings, which you can find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Settings menu is open, click on your account at the top. This will bring up all the options for managing your personal information, including your email, password, and other security settings. Look for the option that says Change Email and click on it. This is where you will begin the process of updating your email address. At this point, you may be asked to enter your password if you have one set. This step is important because it confirms that you are the account owner and keeps your account secure. After entering your password, you can proceed to enter the new email address that you want to use for your Notion account. Once you've entered the new email, click Send Verification Code. Notion will then send a verification code to your new email address to confirm that it is active and accessible. Open your new email inbox, copy the verification code you receive, and return to Notion. Paste the code into the designated field and click Continue. This confirms that your new email is valid and ready to be linked to your account. After entering the verification code, click Change Email. Notion will immediately update your account and link your new email address. From this point on, all notifications, password resets, and security messages will be sent to the updated email, keeping your account fully up to date. And that's it. Your Notion account is now connected to your new email, ensuring that your information remains secure and accessible. This simple process is quick, safe, and helps you maintain full control over your account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.